We have some new notebooks. We have this cute little pineapple, master plan, and superhero. They are 60 sheets, as you can see right here. They are a green briar product. They're really, really cute. I love the cutouts. Are those fun? So fun. Okay, guys, let's see what else I can find. So these are new, guys, and they're very, very pretty. Look at the inside of these candle holders. Isn't that almost like the sky at night? It's like magical, isn't it? I love them. They're so, so pretty. They're so pretty, guys. Okay, guys, so I haven't seen these palettes in this particular store before, so I want to definitely show you guys. It's going to be a little hard with the glare from above, but I'll do my best. So, LA Colors eyeshadow palette, so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. This one is called Beauty. You get 6 shades for just $1. And then they have the next palette. It's called Calm. Get it off of here for you. That glare, guys. I'm trying, though. And then we have Joy. And then we have Peace. This one has some darker shades in it. So 4 new palettes at this particular store, guys. They have them up front at my store, but I would definitely check the makeup section in your store. Some cute new little mugs, guys. I meow you. How cute. Home is where your dog is. I love it so much. Okay, so I spotted new makeup wipes. 30 pre-moistened wipes. They are cucumber with aloe. If anybody has tried these, let us know in the comment section below. But that's a pretty good deal. 30 of them. We love a good bargain. Okay, guys, so we have new stickers. Yes, we do. 4 different styles. These are really great for your planners. 56 stickers. Very cool. We have this one. I think out of the 4, this one might be my favorite. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Bravery is believing in yourself. These are super positive messages. This is awesome. Nice little daily reminders for you guys when you're looking through your planners. And then this really pretty blue. Very, very floral. 55 count on this one. 56 count on this one. Would help if it was in frame. 56 on this one. 56 on this one. But this one is one short. But they're still super cute. These are definitely new. They're emoji funny face fans. You get a 2 count. It tells you to collect them all. So here's the one on this side. And this one. And you use them to fan. I'm going to show you guys up close. So funny. So this package contains, I'm not gonna like go through every one because they just put them on the shelf, so I'm definitely gonna drop a ton of them if I try, but you guys get the gist from this picture. So funny. The kiddos would love those, or just like a fun adult party where you're taking tons of pics. Super cute. Or weddings where you have the photo booth. Well, I don't know, that might not work if you're covering people's faces. Never mind. I have a feeling there was probably a bunch more of these type of signs here, but I think that I missed out because I haven't been here in a few days. But this is really, really cool, and I wanted to at least show you guys this one so that you can be on the lookout for it because it is just absolutely adorable. But yeah, guys, let me know if there's more that kind of coordinate with this particular picture. Thanks.